Hi there, I'm Oksana Yusupova, and I'm excited to talk to you about the importance of self-regulation and how it can benefit your child's emotional well-being. Have you ever struggled to calm down your child when they become upset or overwhelmed? If so, you're not alone. In fact, teaching self-regulation skills can make a huge difference in how they can handle difficult situations. Let me give you a few examples. Imagine you take your child Lily to a busy shopping center. The noise, crowd, bright lights overwhelmed her, and she becomes very upset. She starts crying and screaming, and you don't know what to do. You try reasoning with her, but she is too upset to listen. You end up leaving without getting what you needed. This situation could have been different if Lily had self-regulation skills. Now let's talk about Sarah and Tom. They were playing together in a park. Sarah was building a sandcastle when Tom accidentally knocked it down. Sarah was very upset, but she took a deep breath and decided to talk to Tom. She told Tom how she felt, and they worked together to rebuild the sandcastle even better than before. This shows how self-regulation can help children handle conflicts in a positive way. So, how can you help your child build self-regulation skills? Here are the 5 steps. The first step is helping your child understand and identify their emotions. Help your child recognize different feelings in their body and label them. Encourage them to express their feelings in a healthy way, like talking to a trusted adult or using art to express their feelings. Step 2. The feeling is in your body. It's important for a child to understand that feelings are not just in their head, they are in the body too. Encourage them to recognize physical sensations that go along with different emotions, like a racing heart when feeling anxious or warm feeling in the chest when feeling happy. Do you want to know how to encourage your child to learn new things? If so, then come to my workshop about motivation based on emotional intelligence. In this workshop, you will get some helpful tips that can make it easier for your child to learn new things. Use the link below the video to register for the workshop and take your skills to the next level. Step 3. Relaxation technique. Teach your child relaxation technique to calm the body and the mind. This includes deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, or yoga. Encourage them to practice these skills regularly so they become a natural part of their coping skills. Step 4. Thoughts. Automatic thoughts and taking control of them. Encourage your child to pay attention to their thoughts and recognize when negative or unhelpful thoughts pop up. Teach them how to challenge these thoughts and replace them with positive or realistic ones. It can help your child feel more in control of their emotions and actions. Step 5. Taking control of actions. Finally, help your child to take control of their actions. Teach them to think before react in tough situations and make positive choices. Help them practice problem-solving skills and take responsibility for their actions. By helping your child practice all these 5 steps, you will set them up for success in the future. Remember, self-regulation is an important skill that can be used in different kinds of situations in the future.